EA1000C6 rental LED display is suitable for scenes such as stage. It is easy to install, with a strength of up to 1200 kgf. It is die-casted with Chinese national standard aluminum ingots. It is light, durable, flexible, and versatile. The LED cabinet weighs only 12.6 kilograms. All screws used are stainless steel screws with anti-loosening function. EA1000C6 series LED display screws fix the LED panel, so that the cabinet adopts rear service design, which is easy to install the LED panel. The left and top of the LED screen use 12mm diameter quick locks to increase assembly speed while ensuring the flatness of the screen, making installation easier and more effective. Aluminum alloy handle, never rusts. Aluminum alloy plus silicone filled left and right handles, great feel, no hurt to hands when disassembling the screen. Large size positioning beads on the side, rapid positioning to improve screen installation efficiency. With test button indicator, you can quickly test the LED cabinet. The LED cabinet bottom anti-collision boss design protects the bottom LED module. The EA1000C6 rental LED display screen adopts a four-corner protection design to effectively prevent damage to the LED during transportation, installation, and removal, ensuring the integrity of the LED display screen. The power supply of the rear cover can be opened and is close to the rear cover door. The rear cover is designed with heat dissipation to effectively improve the heat dissipation performance of the LED cabinet. Use professional hanging beams to easily hang the LED display on the gantry, which is safe, stable, and easy to install, suitable for various scene requirements, with better display effect. The rental service is reliable and efficient, making your event more colorful. High-quality power cables and signal cables connect two LED displays, with stable signals and reliable power supply, ensuring seamless synchronization of the images and presenting more stunning visual effects. Simple wiring, easy to build.